Hi, to enable and customize always on display on your POCO X7 13 first, we need to open settings and here scroll till you could find this wallpaper and personalization tab. After that, you should see those many sections from which you need to choose always on display. Just tap it and after that you can customize it and enable. So firstly, let's enable it by tapping on the switcher near always on display, so it will light up blue like that. And now we already got always on display, so let's customize it. First thing we can see is display items. Let's check this setting. And yep, as you can see here, we can turn off always on display when battery saver is on, or you can disable it and now always on display will work even if you turn on battery saver. Here you can see that it was for 10 seconds after tapping. Now we can go in My Theme and check our current themes, and to choose clock style or simply appearance of your always on display, you'll need to simply swipe down or up. Don't forget to swipe left as well. Here you'll find many categories such as signature, analog, digital, and here you got the option to select background. So for example, I really like this one, astronaut, so let's choose it. And now as you can see, we can change text color. For example, you can make it purple like the background. So you can also enable or disable to show battery and notifications. So here you can see like a preview how it will look on your lock screen. And as you can see, this is how notifications would be displayed and this is how battery will be displayed. You can disable battery, for example, and now this is how it will look. You can disable notifications to see only picture, time, date, and so on. I'm gonna enable both of them because it is more comfortable for me. And now if you wanna set this always on display for your lock screen, just tap apply, and after that we can simply lock phone. And now you should see this always on display. So let me just show it to you one more time. So here it is. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.